There is a cycle almost every trader lives in. It starts with hope. You discover trading. You see charts. You see profits online. You think, this is freedom. Then you search for a strategy. You find one. It works for a few trades. Then you lose. And something changes inside you. You no longer trust the strategy, so you search again. New indicator, new mentor, new system, new promise. This cycle feels productive, but it is not progress. It is addiction. Addiction to novelty. Your brain loves new things. New things give dopamine. Dopamine feels like hope. But hope is not discipline. And without discipline, every strategy will fail in your hands. You do not need another system. You need emotional control. And that is harder than learning indicators. Much harder. Let us speak clearly. If a strategy has clear entry rules, clear exit rules, fixed risk management, at least a small statistical edge, it can be profitable over time, but only if executed correctly. And this is where traders collapse, because trading is simple, but it is not easy. Your system says, risk 1%, but after a losing streak, your mind says, let me increase risk to recover. Your system says, wait for confirmation. Your mind says, if I enter early, I make more. Your system says, take profit at target. Your mind says, maybe it will go further. And suddenly, you are no longer trading your strategy. You are trading your emotions. And emotions do not have a statistical edge. They have impulses. Fear is not loud. It whispers, what if this trade loses? What if you are wrong again? What if this is the big crash? Fear makes you close winners too early. You see small profit. You take it because small profit feels safe. But your losses, you let them run because you hope they will come back. Fear creates imbalance. Small wins, large losses, and slowly your account bleeds. The disciplined trader feels fear, but he respects probability more than emotion. He knows one trade does not matter. He knows 100 trades matter. And that shift changes everything. Greed is more dangerous than fear because greed feels good. You win one trade, confidence rises. You win 2 trades. You feel powerful, now you increase risk. You break your position size rule. You take a trade outside your plan because you feel invincible. And the market punishes ego quickly. Discipline protects you from yourself. It keeps you small when you feel big. It keeps you consistent when you feel emotional. Greed says, more. Discipline says, enough. No one talks about boredom, but boredom destroys accounts. You open charts. Nothing is happening. You feel useless. So you create opportunity where none exists. You force trades. You trade small movements. You enter low-quality setups. Not because they are good, but because you are uncomfortable doing nothing. The professional trader understands something powerful. Doing nothing is a position. Waiting is a skill. The market rewards patience, not activity. You told me before you want to become a 1% trader. Here is the truth. The 1% do not search for excitement. They build systems for themselves. Wake up same time. Analyze same way. Risk same percentage. Journal every trade. Review every week. They are boring, and that is why they win. They measure execution, not profit. They judge themselves by discipline, not by outcome. And over time, consistency compounds. Small edge, controlled risk, stable emotions. That is the formula. Discipline is not built in one day. It is built in repetition. Start small. Rule 1, fixed risk per trade. No exception. Rule 2, maximum trades per day. No exception. Rule 3, no trading after emotional trigger. If angry, stop. If frustrated, stop. If overexcited, stop. Create a checklist before every entry. If one rule is missing, do not enter. Most important, judge your day by discipline score, not by money. If you followed your rules 100%, even if you lost, you won the day, because you strengthened your identity. From today, stop asking, what strategy should I use? Start asking, can I follow one strategy for 6 months without breaking rules? Because the market is not testing your intelligence. It is testing your stability. And the trader who controls himself controls his future. Discipline is not exciting, but it is powerful. Strategy gives opportunity. Discipline captures it, and that is your real edge. Pause 3 seconds. Become the trader who executes, not the trader who searches.